Welcome everybody. My name is Kyle from PC Tech and Gaming, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Asus A15 laptop, the one you may have heard and or read about. It's very popular at the moment due to its price and its features, and I for a while have been deciding what new laptop I'll potentially get / buy / use to help with the channel and just for general purpose mobile gaming, and I thought this was a good one to start with. I don't know if I'll be using this particular laptop long term, but I was definitely very intrigued to get it and find out exactly what it's got to offer, how powerful it can possibly be. This is the particular model that I'm unboxing today. So this is the top model of the Asus A15 laptops. So that pretty much means it has the Ryzen 9 4900H CPU. So anyway, without further ado, we will crack it open and see what is inside. So I'm going to crack open this here. And I'm going to see how this opens. I see it kind of pulls up. That's maybe if I push that down. Here we go. So I'll turn it around so you guys can see. So it opens out to that, which I'm going to go back around this way and get the laptop out. So I'll just have the laptop here, and I will unbox what comes in the box. So we get the Asus TUF Gaming user guide, the In Search of Incredible Asus warranty card for the laptop, underneath here we have, so the insert comes out. I'll check if there's anything in that in a moment. So we have the Asus power brick and accompanying cable. We have a little bag of screws, which is no doubt for the spare M.2 slot inside the laptop. So that's handy to have. There's nothing else in the actual box itself now. So I'll just get the insert back out again. And we have, seems to be a backplane or backplane to what looks to be maybe if you wanted to insert a laptop hard drive to this laptop. So maybe one that's not M.2. I think it has a spare slot for that inside as well, so that's handy to have. And yeah, I can't really see anything else where that is concerned. I'll just put that on the floor. Right, so power cord. Our 230 watt power brick. Our hard drive backing connector. Our M.2 screws. Our warranty card and our user guide. Now to do the laptop itself. We won't need this anymore. I'll put that down there. Okay, so obviously in that box there was no spare accessory battery, so that's that's definitely another thing. So that's our cover for the laptop. Put that down here. And there it is. That's our first look at the Asus A15 laptop, sporting the Ryzen 9 4900H APU, so being the top spec of this particular laptop. So from the top it looks pretty stock standard. On the left hand side of the laptop here we have an RJ45 LAN connection. Looks like we have a full-size HDMI port. We have 2 USB ports, which they don't actually say, but I think they're the USB 3.1. And we also have our USB-C. And on this side, we have our other single USB port Type A and our Kensington lock. So now we will open up the laptop. So this is it. This is our Asus A15 laptop. And we will take off that there. And there we have it. So turning it back around this way, it is quite light. It feels very light for what it is. The back of the laptop, we have no I/O, but we do have the 2 honeycomb exhaust ports. There's no exhaust on the left hand side of the laptop, but there is on the right hand side. So yeah, this is pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with it so far, apart from the lack of cooling on the underside of the laptop and the uncertainty as to the battery and whether it is actually a 48 watt hour or a 90 watt hour as advertised. And that's one of the main reasons why I bought it also, because I knew that all the other models of this laptop in Australia didn't have the larger battery that you can get elsewhere in the world. But when I saw that this one was advertised with it, I thought, fantastic. I definitely will have it if it's got the larger battery. Now I'm feeling a little bit like I may have been misled in that particular spec of the laptop, but I'm going to open it up to find out. And here we go, everybody. I have now taken the laptop apart. It's opened up, ready for all to see. And as you can see, this is the innards of our top spec A15 laptop. And as you can clearly see, it does include the 48 watt hour battery, which is very unfortunate because I was really hoping the 90 watt hour battery would be included, but it appears I was misled on this occasion. But as you can see, it has a fair few more heat pipes than the lower spec models, which you would expect, being it does have the top chip being the 4900H that I believe runs at 3 GHz. As its standard operating speed and turbos somewhere up to about 4. But yeah, so there we have it. There's our inside of our A15 laptop. have it, everybody. Our unboxing of the Asus A15 laptop is complete. A bit sad we didn't have the 90 watt-hour battery, but I guess that's life. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you didn't like it, hit dislike. And if you like the content on the channel, please hit subscribe. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next one.